Hi there. In this video, I wanted to show you how to create the map chart in Chapter 3. Now, with any type of chart, many times making sure that your data looks correct and your selection is correct is such a key when doing a chart, because sometimes if you select the data incorrectly, you don't get the expected results that you were hoping for. So in Chapter 3, I've typed in the data as they showed us. So I just have state and expenditures. So I have Arizona, Illinois, that type of thing. So one thing also, you want to make sure that everything is spelled correctly so that the program knows what state you're talking about. So sometimes it's the little details that can kind of hold you up. So then in the directions where they want us to um, put the chart in. So they want us to select from A3 through B8. So I'm grabbing the titles of each one of our columns along with all of the data. And then I'm going to the Insert tab here and then clicking on Maps. And then they want us to do this filled map. And here we go. So we have this chart, and I'm going to put it over here. I did the other one, but you can see that it's taken data from Arizona here, Illinois, New York, and so on. So it filled in the map of the United States because it could tell that we were just using states from the United States, and then made the colors accordingly to how much each one of these was, the expenditures to each one. So again, if you have a chart that is not, once you create it, it's not quite working the way you thought, charts are so easy to create. I would just click on the outside border to make sure it's selected. You can press the delete button and then go back to your data, take another look at it, and then make your selection again. Go back to insert, and whether it's a map chart or any other charts that you're working with, you can go ahead and try it again. So I hope that this is helpful. Let me know if you have questions. Take care.